Today, we are diving into the exciting world of smartphones, particularly focusing on Samsung's next big release, Galaxy S25 Ultra. Even though the Galaxy S24 just hit the market, the rumor mill is already abuzz with speculations about its successor. Stick around as we unravel the latest leaks and predictions about this highly anticipated device. Samsung has always been known for pushing the boundaries of innovation, and it seems like they're gearing up to do the same with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Samsung has always been a heavyweight contender in smartphone photography, but with the S25 Ultra, they're gearing up to take on Apple's best. Rumor has it that Samsung is doubling down on camera improvements, potentially upping the ante with enhanced sensors and innovative features. Samsung's ambition is clear: to dethrone Apple with the best camera on a smartphone. The S25 Ultra is rumored to push the boundaries further with a potentially revamped 200-megapixel main sensor and a jaw-dropping 100-megapixel space zoom. Early leaks hint at an improved wide-angle lens and a leap to a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The telephoto lens might also see a revolutionary variable capability, hinting at unparalleled zoom smoothness. But that's not all. We anticipate Samsung to continue its tradition of introducing cutting-edge features that redefine the smartphone experience. From advanced AI capabilities to intuitive smart features, Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to raise the bar yet again. While we eagerly await official confirmations, the prospect of what's to come is undeniably tantalizing. So what can we expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let's break it down. Firstly, it's likely that Samsung will stick to its tried and tested formula when it comes to design. With the iconic vertical camera array and premium build quality, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to exude sophistication and elegance. Samsung's design philosophy has always balanced innovation with familiarity. With the Galaxy S25 Ultra, we're likely to see this continue. The S24 Ultra's shift to a titanium frame was a bold move, and it seems the S25 Ultra might maintain this premium choice. But what about the camera alignment or screen size? Rumors hint at subtle but impactful changes, possibly including a screen size bump for both the regular and Ultra models. In terms of display, whispers suggest that both the regular S25 and the Ultra variant might see size upgrades, offering users a more immersive viewing experience. And let's not forget about brightness. Samsung is known for its vibrant displays, and we anticipate nothing less from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Beginning, we'll take a closer look at what this update indicates for the S25 Ultra and beyond. The Galaxy S25 Ultra represents more than just the next step in smartphone evolution. It's a glimpse into the future of mobile technology. As we await more concrete details, the rumors and speculations paint a picture of a device that's not just about power, but also about enhancing the user experience in every aspect. So, what are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Ultra? What features are you most excited about in the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Do you think it will live up to the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and updates.